Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by backing up the current logo file and project so you can restore if needed. Open FL Studio and navigate to the folder that contains the app or project assets. This is where the logo lives. Once located, prepare your replacement image as a PNG with a transparent background and appropriate DPI. Make sure dimensions match the original or are slightly larger for quality. If you follow these steps, you avoid overwriting essential files and keep a safe rollback point before changing the logo. Next, replace the logo file directly. Keep the file name and file format identical to the original so the app references it without additional config. Once replaced, open FL Studio and use a test project or the UI where the logo appears to verify placement and scaling. If the logo looks off, edit the image to adjust canvas or transparent padding. Save and overwrite the test copy. After you finish adjustments, restart the app to ensure the program caches the new asset correctly. Finally, confirm the new logo across all screens and export previews to verify consistent appearance. If the old logo still shows, clear the application cache or perform a quick reinstall to force asset reload. Make sure to keep the original backup handy so you can restore it if a problem arises. Document the file name, dimensions, and source file location for future updates. If any unexpected visual glitches appear, revert to the backup and re-edit the replacement image before retrying the swap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.